Now, today we will learn pie diagram. Pie diagram is used when the data is large. Last time also when circle diagram we were doing, I told you when data is large. At that time there was comparison between three different years. But when to use pie diagram? Pie diagram's data will look like a simple divided bar diagram. But what is the difference? The difference is data will be too large. In simple divided by diagram, the total amount was 2000, 2500 like that. But here when we have to draw pie diagram, data will be very large. It will go in lakhs. Now see your example 31. In a ledger of a company, the liabilities in the final balance sheet are as under. Present the data by pie diagram. Now here you can see the total amount is 28,80,000. It's too big. So in such situation we have to draw pie diagram. Now it is like percentage divided bar diagram only, but pie diagram is in the shape of circle. So instead of 100 here we will be taking 360 degree. Now see first information. Share capital 12 lakhs out of 28,80,000 in share capital it is been liabilities. So now share capital is 12 lakh out of 28 lakhs. So you as usual like percentage only we have to solve, but instead of 100 here it will come 360. So out of 28,80,000 12 lakhs are spent in share capital, then out of 360 how much? Cross multiply. So 12 lakh into 360 upon 28,80,000. 4 zeros cancel. So 120 into 360 upon 288. When you will do, you will get 150 degree. So from this first calculation we can see that amount used upon total amount into 360. So we can say this is formula. So similar way deposits we have to find, it will come 100, loan 50 and current liabilities it is 60 degree. Now if you will do total of this all, it will come out to be 360. Now sometime it happens that you will not get exact number, you may get 100.4. So in that case you know that if any digit is 5 or less than 5, then it is converted into lower number. So if it is 100.4 then you can write 100. If it is 100.6 then you can write 101. So degrees you will adjust like that. Is it clear? Degree if suppose 35.4 then you will make it 35, and degree if suppose 35.6 then you will make it 36. Anyhow try to convert your degrees in round figure. Now how to draw pie diagram? Circle first of all. Now this is suppose center. So draw a straight line. Now first is 150 degree. So you know how to use your compass, your protractor. Keep it here. 0 should come here. Now there are two lines, one starts from 0 and another if you will see 180 it will start, but as we are keeping our line over here, so you have to see 0 from here. Now first is 150 degree, so this is round about 90, so 150 probably will come here. So first you will draw 150 degree like this. Okay, so this is 150 degree. Now after 150 degree 100. So now you will keep your 0 here. Okay, so let us turn it. So keep your 0 here. Now how much degree you want to draw? 100. So again see the measurement. Suppose this is round about 900. So 100 will come here. So draw this line. So this angle is of 100 degree. Now after 100 you have to draw 50 degree. So again keep your 0 here. Now how much to draw? 50 degree. So suppose it comes round about here. So this is 50 degree. And again if you will keep your 0 here, automatically this is last one, so obviously this will be 60 degree. Now if you see, the total of this all angle is 360. Now first what was given? 150 degree. It was liabilities. So you can choose any one design. Suppose if I am drawing this type of line, then scale, you will write this slanting line is of share capital. Second, you can use any another, suppose circle I am using. Then here you will write in square box that this circle is of deposits. Same way, use another line, suppose I am using dot, then that is dash is 50 degree and that is loan. And this last one 60 degree, again let us use any another design. Suppose I am using triangles. Then fourth scale is of triangle and that is what? Current liabilities. Like this you will be writing scale. I hope it is clear. Still once again see, keep your 0 here. Draw 150 degree, again turn it, keep your 0 here, then draw 100 degree, again keep 0 here, draw 50 degree, again keep 0, automatically last one will be 60. So like this you can draw pi diagram. I hope it is clear. So this with calculation, with figure, proper instruments please use and draw it in notebook. Now your homework for today, exercise 2.3, question number 8. It is of pi diagram.